Welcome. Now let's go to Steve Jobs. He's my role model, and he says stay ultra product focused. Like your design should be ultimate, and we can see in Apple, iPad, iMac, all these products how beautifully they are designed, and that this principle means that know people's strengths, like okay. And the first principle is feel special, believe you are special. That is the first. Like Apple, like Steve Jobs always felt he's special because his parents said you are special, you are a special child. And you know that philosophy, when you say yourself you are special, you are beautiful, you are good, what happens there? Your internal programming of your subconscious mind changes, and you start doing special things, you start doing good things, positive things. Otherwise, you will, when you say yourself, I am not good, I am bad, this, you start doing bad things, you start doing negative things, so you will get that result. And that repeated million times. His family repeated when he was adopted by Jobs' family. So they always said, you are special, you are special, you are special. They encouraged, and and you also repeat these things. You are special, and you will become Steve Jobs, more than Steve Jobs. Let's not stop ourselves at Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs. We can become better than them. So use these principles, and so that you will achieve the result. Second, outside, inside, a real creator should not. Like outside, inside, a real creator should not get you should be always inside and outside. You should be a creator. This should okay. And then get inspired. Always get inspired by, have role models, get inspired by them, and start working on towards your goal. Then expose yourself to the best things human have done and bring it in what you are doing. Like explore the best things. Like go and study Leonardo da Vinci. Go and study all these innovators and see what values or principles you can bring from them, what they have done, what you can do and innovate and make world's best projects or whatever work you're doing. Distorted reality. Think as it is a truth. Always, whatever you are doing, think that it is going to happen, it is going, and give your more than 100% and have one goal and work on it like you are a successful. When you have that mindset, you have that attitude, you will be successful. Okay. Then environment, create it or change your environment. If your environment is not allowing you to do something, change it or create the environment. If you can't change it, create, or if you can change it, change it. Okay. See future. Example, when Xerox company didn't realize the potential of technology, Steve Jobs realized the potential of technology, and he brought user interface to Mac. They couldn't realize the potential, and they couldn't have vision to understand that this is what Apple made $1 trillion company. Okay. Good brands sell you products. Legendary brands sell you an emotion. You can see Apple products, all these are like you have special emotion towards those products, right? It's a social currency. So we'll go to the principles of Apple company and understand what are the principles and how we can apply them in our projects. So kindly write the comments, what have you learned from this section and how you're going to apply